A simple routine can make a man more attractive. To look beautiful is just not a woman thing anymore. Times have changed the outlook of men towards looking good and taking care of themselves. Men are giving time from their busy schedules to attend salons and spending so much on treatments. But it is not required if followed this simple routine like rinse, tone, exfoliate and moisturize religiously every single day for lasting youthful skin. Never use soap to clean your skin as it takes away the nutrients that are necessary for your skin. Instead, use a natural, herbal/homemade scrub that helps to remove impurities that have clogged in the pores as well as keeping the skin healthy. Men who shave find their cleanser helpful as it ensures the razor has a clean shaving surface to avoid ingrown hairs and razor burn. Shaving products should be mild and soothing, keeping skin's moisture intact. It is never true that an oily face turns oilier if oil is applied. Actually, it is the opposite. Superabsorbent face oils are like tonics and help in balancing the sebum production and controlling oil production. Men naturally have a thick and tougher skin. This makes the skin get rough very easily. Hence, it's essential to moisturize. The finest way is to ensure proper hydration that is available through face oil or serum, as not all moisturizers are not the same. Toners keep your skin moist, revitalized and natural glow. They also do a balancing act by keeping a control on the oil levels in the skin. The toner can be used before and after cleansing the face. Men should become conscious about their sunscreen usage just like women, especially when they are exposed to the sun for more than 30 minutes. UV rays lead to faster skin aging and also can cause skin cancer.